Understanding, remind me again, in English. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to dive into the phrase, remind me again, and explore its meaning and usage in the English language. Whether you're a beginner or just looking to brush up on your phrases, this video will help you understand how to use this expression effectively. So, let's get started. The phrase, remind me again, is used when someone wants to be told information one more time, either because they have forgotten it or they want to ensure they have understood it correctly. It's a polite way to ask for information to be repeated. You can use, remind me again, in various contexts. It might come up in casual conversation, in professional settings, or even in academic discussions. Let's look at some examples. Casual, I'm sorry, could you remind me again what time we're meeting tomorrow? Professional, before we proceed, can someone remind me again of the quarterly targets? Academic, Professor, could you remind me again what the main thesis of this article was? It's important to note that the tone you use when saying, remind me again, can change its perceived meaning. Said with a friendly tone, it comes off as a genuine request for information. However, if said with sarcasm, it could imply that you think the information should be obvious. There are a few variations of the phrase that carry a similar meaning. For instance, could you repeat that for me? What was that again? I didn't catch that. Could you say it once more? And that's a wrap on, remind me again. We hope this video clarified the meaning and usage of this handy phrase. Remember, practicing it in different contexts will help you become more fluent and confident in your English communication. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Happy learning!